Welcome to today's Deep Dive. We're getting into something, well, super exciting today, what India has built in the AI space.
Yeah, it's a massive shift.
Right. So our mission today is to figure out, are we just borrowing this tech or are we building the actual house? Like, picture this. You're in a remote village and your mobile signal just drops to a single bar.
Oh, sure. Happens all the time.
Exactly. And a farmer pulls out a 10,000 rupee phone and asks it a really complex question in Gujarati, completely offline.
Wow.
Yeah, and within seconds, the phone answers him back in his own language, perfectly understanding the context. I mean, that AI wasn't imported from Silicon Valley. It was built right in Bengaluru.
That's exactly the shift from being a customer to a creator, right?
Completely.
We aren't waiting in line to buy what the rest of the world builds anymore. Looking at the global scoreboard, India is actually #3 globally in AI vibrancy now.
Wait, number 3.
Yeah. We jumped 4 places in just a year, and we're #1 in AI skill penetration, which is 3 times the global average. Plus, 87% of our enterprises are actively using AI today.
That's incredible. But, hearing those huge numbers, you might assume we're just trying to outspend the West to build some trillion-parameter behemoth.
Right, the typical brute force approach.
Yeah, but we're doing the exact opposite. We're shaping our own ecosystem with a totally different blueprint.
We really are. Like HCL Tech just put a $150 million strategic investment into Sarvam AI.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, it shows massive industry backing for sovereign, homegrown models. And beneath that, you have AI for Bharat providing this open source language backbone. We're even starting to own the actual silicon layer.
Really? How so?
Well, with Micron's Sanan plant shipping memory modules, we're getting the full stack.
Okay, so essentially, instead of trying to build a massive gas-guzzling AI supercar that needs a sprawling highway of server farms, we're building, I don't know, a fleet of highly efficient AI scooters.
Yeah, I like that analogy.
Like scooters that can navigate the bumpy dirt roads of low bandwidth areas.
That is actually the perfect way to look at small language models. They are lean by design. You don't need a huge data center because they run directly on the edge.
Meaning right on the device itself?
Right. But what really turbocharges them is our distribution. I mean, we have population-scale digital public infrastructure that already reaches 1 billion people.
Oh, like Aadhaar.
Or Aadhaar, and of course UPI, with roughly 23 billion monthly transactions.
Which is just staggering. And when you pair UPI with AI, it unlocks something totally new. Sarvam AI uses a pay-as-you-go model.
Right, so there are 0 idle costs.
Exactly. Because UPI allows for seamless micropenny transactions, a developer can pay fractions of a rupee per AI query in real time. It completely eliminates those massive upfront subscription costs we see globally.
It's incredibly efficient.
But wait, I have to play devil advocate here.
Go for it.
If we are shrinking these models to fit on cheap, offline phones, the error rate must be massive. If global giants struggle with accuracy on supercomputers, how do we trust a localized model across 1,000 different dialects?
Oh, it is a massive challenge. AI hallucination, when a model confidently fabricates a fluent but entirely fake answer, is a real hurdle.
Right.
It's like asking a student to write a highly detailed history essay using only a single outdated pamphlet. Their brain is going to confidently fill in the blanks with fiction.
Yeah, that makes sense.
In a recent review, one of these models confidently claimed the 2021 census was conducted.
Oh, wow. Even though we all know it was postponed.
Exactly. And we have very thin regional digital data to train on, plus a massive compute and capital gap.
And to be fair, the new models are being benchmarked by their own makers, so the claims are promising, but maybe not fully proven yet.
True. But frame it this way. Those constraints are the exact pressures forging a uniquely resilient Indian AI.
So the challenges are actually pushing us forward.
Pretty much. We can't rely on brute force, so we are forced to build something deeply localized and actually deployable.
Right. So for you listening, what does this mean for the markets? Where's the actual value flowing if it isn't just about building the smartest AI?
Well, the real value is accruing to those deploying it widely and the infrastructure powering it. Take PwC's finding that 90% of Indian financial institutions treat AI as their primary enabler.
Wow, 90%.
Yeah, they aren't just experimenting. They're using it for massive scale fraud detection, using UPI data and automated vernacular customer service.
And just to note here, brands like Sarvam or HCL are mentioned for illustration. Kotak Mahindra Mutual Fund may or may not hold positions in them.
Of course. The main takeaway, as Sarvam AI's Vivek Raghavan puts it, is that true sovereignty is reaching citizens in their own language, on devices they already own.
I love that. We aren't behind. We're just building something fundamentally different, tailored perfectly for a billion people. It leaves you wondering, as the world throws billions at brute force size, how many other industries could this incredibly localized, cost-conscious design quietly outsmart? Something for you to explore on your own.
A great thought to leave on.
Mutual fund investments are subject to market risks. Read all scheme-related documents carefully.